Those are yesterday's leftovers in that pan. I'm Priscilla Batzell in Spring Hill, Florida, at Expressionist Colour Studio Gallery. And I have a canvas that I've been practicing on and off. It's it's not a big risk. I mean, I like it, but it's okay to mess with it. So I'm going to add a little bit of Fandango. A Prizm Pour, some Nebula Star, a primary element. Some Vivid Intense Phthalo Turquoise. A little bit of, that's, I said Vivid Intense. This is Indian Spice. Prizm Pour. Vivid Intense Fluorescent Red Violet, which I hope is open. And a little Cerulean Blue if it's open, and I don't think it is, so let me give it a poke, see what happens. No, we'll skip the Cerulean Blue for the moment. Alright, now I did bring my olive boat out, just in case, and I've got 3 playing cards that I use to dip, and a shovel. And I'm going to use my tongue depressor pieces first, especially the ones that don't have chips on them. I don't mind if they're funky odd shapes. I'm looking for the stripes. And I might want to grab a fresh tongue depressor before I do this to anything that I seriously value. But I'm not hating what I'm getting. At all. The colors are fabulous. Which reminds me, I'm a Colourarte affiliate, so if you're interested in Prizm Pours, Primary Elements, Vivid Intense, or Vivid Intense and Fluorescence, there's all kinds of new colors and products at Colourarte, and there's a 20% off Colourarte coupon code below my video. And they're often sales, so it's worth going there. The link is there also. So that makes me want to add another color. Maybe a couple. A little bit of jasmine in there. And I think my orange crush is open. And hopefully I can get away with that. Maybe a clean, yeah, I'll use an alternative. Now you can take off your excess with a knife, which I had already. There it is. Just going to take off anything that might be protruding. I like that you can dip the stick in and pull it sideways and create stripes, which is basically all I'm doing and all I'm going to be doing. So it might be kind of boring. Or I might put it on fast forward so nobody ever hears what I'm saying. think I want some more red violet before I go much further. And maybe some more orange. And I wish I'd opened the cerulean blue. And I'm thinking maybe I need some more Fandango in there. So I've got my cerulean blue. I kind of want some white in there too. Or maybe yellow. There goes a little cerulean blue added. And I had some Tuscan Sun. There we go. Hopefully I can pick that up without... If you don't mix it around too much, you got a shot at keeping it. There, I like the yellow. That's why I stopped and grabbed it. Carries a lot less paint than the shovel, but it extends a lot further up the canvas too. And I think I'm going to be done in a second. But I might just finish. You can see it's no big shakes where you put stuff. It's the color, the eye-catching colors that are important. And you could take any background, I think. Any painting you're not really in love with. And use it as a background. And I can put extra marks in there and imply that there are more grasses or weeds or whatever you want to call them. I am not seeing as many colors in my stripes, so it's probably time to add a little more. Alright, that's pretty much it. She said continuing to work, and I should shimmer that at you because I'm sure it's going to be pretty. Oh yeah, I really like that. Since that one little thing that I'm not sure about, but anything that I see that I might want to fix, won't even notice. Alright, I love you guys. Take care of each other. Take care of yourselves. Bye for now. Make sure you check out some of my playlists. There are 31 playlists with 100 videos, and all of them are organized by topic and genre also. So if you want something, just ask me. I'll be happy to help you out. Please leave me a comment if you have questions. Also, I'm happy to answer them, so please feel free. Watching my videos longer helps me out. Sharing my videos helps me out. Check out my email address. It's easpb and the word gallery spelled out at gmail.com if you have other questions, or you'd like to make an inquiry about a lesson at the house in Spring Hill, Florida, or if you want to inquire about purchasing an artwork, or you need any help ordering anything from any one of the places that uses my art to produce their goods. My Amazon link has my 2 books on it, Because the Canon Unlimited Possibilities, volumes 1 and 2 are the first and the second 100 videos I made for YouTube and still relevant. I want to thank you guys for the donations through PayPal. And I want to say thank you to everybody who's become a member. You really helped me afford to do this, and that's what it's come down to. I'm just basically affording to do it. My community board will show you tomorrow's video. I post 5 days a week, not on Saturday and Wednesday anymore, but I do make suggestions, so if you look on my community board, you'll find them. And my paint pouring recipes below show more. I love you guys, and I want you to take care of each other, take care of yourselves, and I'm going to say goodbye for now. This is Priscilla Batzell in Spring Hill, Florida at Expressionist Art Studio Gallery. I love you. Come again, I hope tomorrow. Bye for now. See you.